Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making another very different style Indian curry called Hariyali chicken, or chicken Hariyali, and basically I think it interprets to a green curry, but very different to a Thai green curry. This is a Indian green curry. Now the first thing I want to do is make a nice green paste, and to that end I've got a really good big handful of roughly chopped coriander stalks and leaves, about half that amount of mint, and we want to add some green chilies, sort of partially chopped. So I am going to be whizzing this up, obviously. Now these aren't particularly spicy, so I've added quite a few. Just do it to your own taste. You can get really spicy green chilies, so yeah, just do it the way you want it. But you want the green ones. Alright, one onion. Just sort of chopped up, roughly. A few of those leaves escaped. I've got a big knob of ginger, and that's going in. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe about 5 cloves of garlic, and I want to add about a good cup of curd or yogurt. Let's go. Helps if you turn the power on. Alrighty guys, next phase of this is I've just got a couple of tablespoons of oil heating up in my wok there. I'm just going to fry off a few curry leaves in there. There's also 2 little bay leaves, one there, can't tell the difference. One cinnamon stick we'll just throw in, and about a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and we'll just gently fry them just for a minute or two. Alright, it's just a minute or two later. I'm just going to add now a couple of powders. I've just got 2 teaspoons of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander powder, and I'll put that in now, but at the same time I'm going to also add my chicken, and I've got here a bit over 1 kg of chicken pieces and a few drumsticks, bone in, and most of the skin I've taken off them. And we'll just fry them for a few minutes. Alrighty guys, so this, as you can see, is a super simple curry. All I want to do now is add my green paste, mix, whatever you want to call it, into there. With the curd, the garlic, the ginger, smells good. Now the only thing I'm going to add to that at this point is I've just got about a teaspoon here of amchur powder, which it's not compulsory, but I just think it adds a nice flavour. It's the this dry mango powder. It's good for curries. Gives a little bit of a sour element. I could have added that to the paste, probably should have. I only just thought of it now, but it'll be fine. I'm adding that to the paste now, basically. And we'll stir that through. And what I'm going to do is just leave that on high for about 5 minutes, and then just get it down to a simmer, for a low simmer, just for as long as it takes to cook, really. But yeah, initially a bit of a high burst. Alrighty guys, so I've just served up a plate of my Hariyali chicken, my green curry, and yeah, talk about on that low simmer. I let it simmer away for probably about 30 minutes, and yeah, looking good. And obviously just served it with some rice. So let's try a bit. Looks like our chicken's nicely cooked through. Probably won't be able to see much up close, but anyway, I'll just try a bit. Yummo. That's really, really yummy. Really, really different to a lot of North Indian curries that you might try. I think this is a North Indian dish, but it's really different. It's really, really just yum. Like a nice sort of fresh taste to it. Yum. Yeah, not much more I can say. I'm going to sit down and eat the rest of this now. Wash it down with a cold beer. Thanks for watching, as always. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are great. You're fantastic. You're awesome. All those superlatives I'll drag out. I mean every one of them. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video, and I'd really appreciate it. Alrighties, I'll see you all next time.